Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Novelcrafter and Sudowrite. In order to do so, here we are at novelcrafter.com and we're also at sudowrite.com. And to do a comparison of the two, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of AI at any time and get the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, Novelcrafter and Sudowrite are both tools designed to assist writers in the creative process, but they serve slightly different purposes and offer various features. Here's a comparison of the two. Novelcrafter is primarily tailored for novel writing, and it helps users outline stories, develop character arcs, and manage subplots. It offers tools to track character details and settings, aiding in consistency and depth, and it lets users set goals related to word count and project deadlines, encouraging accountability. It has a user-friendly layout specifically designed for novelists with features that support the writing process from conception to completion. Sudowrite, on the other hand, is an AI-powered writing assistant with versatile features for creative writing. It provides real-time suggestions for rewriting sentences, generating ideas, and enhancing descriptions, and it includes features such as brainstorming prompts, character development, and emotional depth enhancement. It can be used alongside existing writing tools and platforms, making it versatile for various writing contexts, not just novels. It encourages experimentation with different writing styles and tones through AI-generated content. In summary, use Novelcrafter if you need structured support for plotting and character development in novel writing, but opt for Sudowrite if you want to leverage AI to enhance your writing process or need assistance with creative brainstorming and rewriting. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.